Hi everyone, this week on Friction Friday, we have the 2024 through 2026 GMC Hummer EV SUV. Built to tackle demanding terrain while delivering instant electric torque, the Hummer EV SUV brings together serious capability and advanced EV technology. With its substantial weight and regenerative braking system, dependable braking performance is essential wherever it goes. Whether climbing rocky trails, towing gear, or navigating city streets, drivers need braking that remains smooth, predictable, and consistent. DFC offers complete brake coverage for this platform, including 5000 series advanced brake pads, GeoSpec coated rotors, and OE-specific hardware to help restore factory-level braking performance. The 5000 series advanced brake pads deliver quiet operation, stable pedal feel, and dependable stopping performance under EV-specific conditions. GeoSpec coated rotors help resist corrosion from moisture, mud, and road salt while maintaining consistent braking characteristics. Together with OE-specific hardware, they help technicians complete reliable, efficient installations. DFC brake components are available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, helping distributors simplify inventory while improving efficiency in the service bay. DFC proudly supports the 2024 to 2026 GMC Hummer EV SUV with a complete braking solution, pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for durability, consistency, and OE-level fit. If you missed this week's Must-Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.